In today's video, I will walk you through how to add acceleration bands, or AB, in Robinhood Legend. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open Robinhood Legend from the official Robinhood platform and enter your chart workspace where your trading layout is already set up. Once your chart is visible, move to the upper right-hand corner of the screen and look for the indicators icon located just below the Add Widget button. Click on the Indicators icon to open the Indicators panel. Inside the Indicators panel, click Add Indicator to open the full list of available indicators. After the list appears, you can scroll through the options manually or use the search box at the top of the panel. Click on the search field and type AB to locate the indicator more quickly. Once you see acceleration bands in the list, click on it to add it to your chart. The indicator will be applied automatically and will appear directly on your active chart once selected. You will now see the acceleration bands displayed on your chart, confirming it has been added successfully. Next to the indicator name, click Settings to open the customization menu. Inside the Settings menu, you will see the available options for adjusting the acceleration bands indicator. Click through the settings and adjust the available controls based on your chart preferences. As you make changes, the updates will automatically reflect on your chart in real time, so you can immediately see how each adjustment affects the indicator. If you want to refine the settings later, you can return to the same panel and adjust them again at any time. The acceleration bands indicator will remain active on your chart as you continue working inside Robinhood Legend. That is how you add and customize acceleration bands, or AB, in Robinhood Legend.